Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So this is a very important video for postgraduate aspirants who want to get admission in Delhi University, because Delhi University has started its postgraduate admissions, and for that very important information is there that today, that is 17th of November, there is one webinar going to be conducted by the university. So here I am going to provide you all details related to that, plus we will be discussing about some very important notifications for postgraduate courses admissions. So first of all, you have to see that this is the invitation for that first webinar on postgraduate admissions. You can see here that it's on 17th November, Tuesday, 5 p.m. onwards. So today don't miss it. You all should attend it if you are seeking admission for postgraduate courses. And how will it be streamed? That is also written here, that you have to go to the facebook.com admission branch of Delhi University. So it will be streamed live on Facebook. So be there at 5 p.m. because you too may have many doubts related to your admission and all these things. So you must attend this webinar, because it is definitely going to clarify many of your doubts. So now there is one more very important news for all aspirants who are seeking admission in postgraduate courses, that here also one notification is there that all eligible applicants for PG courses that University of Delhi shall commence its admission merit and entrance both to the following courses from 18th of November. So tomorrow your admission process is going to kickstart, and here you can see the list is also provided. I am going to show you complete list, and applicants whose final year results of the qualifying examination has not been declared yet should wait to update their marks. Means here this is a very important thing, that actually the university has started the admission for these 54 courses. Here it may be very small, so you can check this circular on the website of DU also. And one more thing is here, that university has mentioned in the circular that those aspirants whose result is still awaited, they can be given provisional admission. So you need not worry about that thing. If your result is awaited, if your final year exams have been held and you have not been given results, so you can also seek admission. You can apply for postgraduate admissions in Delhi University, and you will be given provisional admission. So means many of you keep on asking this thing in comment box, so I thought I should clarify this doubt on behalf of Delhi University. So here you can see that in that circular, then complete details are given on entrance based admission and merit based admission. So briefly I can tell you what is given in this circular, but for details you have to check the circular on Delhi University website. Here dates are given also, and how to upgrade your marks and everything, and like tiebreaker, in case of tiebreaker what will happen, that like those who will be getting better marks, higher marks, they will be given admission. So all these details are given there, you can check it in detail. So I think this is very important information for all of you. Please share this video with your friends also, and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, because I'm going to provide you many more such videos, and we are going to provide you complete support and guidance. And yes, don't forget to like the video. Thank you everybody.